Dear friends, in today's class, we are going to discuss some of the important questions which is very essential in your semester curriculum as well as the interview perspectives. In the last class, we have discussed 5 important programs. In today's class, we are going to discuss few more programs, and these sessions will continue for a few more classes, which is most essential for you in chapter wise basis. We have to discuss problems one after another. Today's class programs are basically belongs to decision making and looping. First question for today's session is checking the number is prime or not, and we must be knowing that the number is a prime number if it is greater than 1 and divisible by itself, or we can tell it is divisible by itself and 1. Let moves to your editor where we have to understand first, then we have to run the program. Suppose we take the value of x, you enter a prime number. Suppose x value is taken as 5. Suppose we have taken the value of x is 5 and we have to check that number is a prime number or not. X is 5. Now you see I will be checked from 2 because greater than 1 and divisible by itself. Now check 2 is less than 5. Yes. 5 modulus 2 is how much? 1. 1 is equal to 0? No. I incremented by 1 means I becomes 3. 3 is less than 5? Yes. 5 modulus 3 is how much? 2. 2 equal to 0? No. I is incremented by 1. 4. 4 is less than 5? Yes. 5 modulus 4 1. 1 is equal to 0? No. I is incremented by 1. This is 5. 5 is less than 5? No. Where it will come? It will come outside the loop. Now you check. I's value is 5, x value 5. 5 is equal to 5? Yes. 5 is a prime number, which means that from 2 to that number, no number is dividing it, and hence it is a prime number. Suppose I take the number is 4. Now you check. I starts with 2. 2 is less than 5. 2 is less than 4. Yes. 4 modulus 2 is how much? 0. 0 is equal to 0. Yes. The number is not a prime number. If you want to run this code, copy this set of code, moves to your specific online editor and start running the program. Moves to your specific online compiler and start running the program. You will be finding out either the number is prime or not. It will be checked. Suppose I enter the number 5, it is prime. Suppose I enter the number is 4, which indicates it is not prime. Coming to the next question, we have to check the number is an Armstrong number or not. Which number is termed as an Armstrong number? If the digits q, the summation is equal to that number, is an Armstrong number. 153 is an Armstrong number. How? 1q plus 5q plus 3q becomes 153. 153 is an Armstrong number. 1 is an Armstrong number. How? Moves to your corresponding editor and check it. Now you see, suppose you enter the value of x is 153. That value is copied as a duplicate to p, means p is also 153 because it will be checked in latter part. Now why y and z is taken? Y is taken for storing remainder, z is storing the result. Now we have taken y and we have taken z. Now you start calculate it. Z. So x value is 153. 153 greater than 0? Yes. 153. If 153 modulus 10 is how much? That is your 3. 153 by 10 is how much? That is your 15. Now you find out the q of y. 3 into 3 into 3 is how much? 27. 0 having 0, z having 0, 0 plus 27 is 27. Now x is 15. 15 is 0 greater than 0? Yes. 15 modulus 10 is how much? 5. 15 by 10 means quotient means 1. Now 5 into 5 into 5, 125. 125 plus 27 becomes 152. Now x is 1. 1 is greater than 0? Yes. 1 modulus 10 is how much? 1. 1 by 10 is how much? Integer division, that is your 0. Now 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 152 plus 1 is 153. Now x is 0. 0 is greater than 0? False. It will come out of the loop. Now what is the value of z? 153. What is the value of p? 153. 153 is equal to 153? Yes. it is a Armstrong number. If it is not so, it is not Armstrong. Why I have taken P? Because X value will be reduced. In the latter part, we have need the original number, and hence the duplicate number before X is reduced is stored in P, so that in the latter part it will be checked for comparing the resultant and the original variable. We have to run this program. Copy this code, moves to your specific online editor, and start running the program. Suppose I enter the value 153. 153 is a Armstrong number. Suppose I enter 1 is a Armstrong number. Suppose I enter 23 is not a Armstrong number. Now, moves to the next question. Suppose you have to check a number is a perfect number or not. Which number is a perfect number? A numbers, whatever the divisor, that summation is equal to that number excluding that number. Suppose 6 is a perfect number. 6 divisor is 1, 2, 3 and the summation of 1, 2, 3 is 6 and 6 is a perfect number. We have to again understand the question. Then we have to run, check it. Suppose the value of X is taken as 6. Now it will be checked from 1 to that number. Y value is taken as 1. Which number will be divided? That summation will be stored in Z, and Z initially is taken as 0. Now 1 is less than 6s. 6 modulus 1 equal to 0. Yes, 0 plus 1 becomes 1. Now y is incremented by 1, that is to 2. 2 is less than 6s. 6 modulus 2 equal to 0. Yes, Z is incremented 3. 1 plus 2 is a 3 because 2 is dividing. Now y becomes how much? 3. 3 is less than 6s. 6 modulus 3 equal to 0. Yes, now 3 is again added, that is 6. Y is incremented by 1 becomes 4. Now 4 is less than 6s. 6 modulus 4 is how much? 2. 2 equal to 0? No. Now y is incremented by 1, 5. 5 is less than 6s. 6 modulus 5 equal to 0? No. Y incremented 6. 6 is less than 6? No. It comes out of the 4. Now what is the value of Z? Is 6. What is the value of X? Is 6. 6 equal to 6s. The number is a perfect number. If the Z value and X value is not equal, then it is not a perfect number. If I want to run this program, then copy this code, moves to your specific editor and start running the program. Now suppose I enter the value is 6, then it will be checked either it will be a perfect number or not. Just wait. In few instances, the online compiler go on pause. Let we have to run the program again. Suppose I enter the number is 6. So 6 is a perfect number. Suppose I enter the number is 7. 7 is not a perfect number. Comes to the next question. Generate the multiplication table of any number till 10th column. Suppose I enter 10, the multiplication table will be generated 10 into 1, 10 up to 10 into 10, 100. Go to the online editor and start convincing first. Now suppose I have taken the value of X is 10. X equal to 10. Now result will be stored in the Z variable and Y is taken for continuing how many column? That is 1. 1 is less than 10. Yes. Now Z equal to X into Y. 10 into 1 it is 10. Now why I have taken 3 format string? One is X value, that is 10 will display. One is multiplication column, means first column is 1 and hence Y value is 1 will display. The result is Z, that is your what if the result will be displayed, that is 10, means 10 into 1 10. Then Y is incremented by 1, it becomes 2. Now 2 is less than 10. Yes. Now 10 into 2 20, like this till 10th column the result will appear. If you want to display it and execute it, move to your specific online compiler and start run it. Now you see, suppose I given the number 10, its multiplication table will be generated. Suppose I have given the value of 100 as multiplication table of 100, then 100 multiplication table will be generated till 10th column. Move to the today's last question. Convert upper character to lower character and vice versa without using any library function like to upper to lower. As we must know, the upper character ASCII value is from 65 to 90 and the lower character ASCII value is from 97 to 122. In upper character, if 32 is added, it will be converted into small letter, and if minus 32 is subtracted from lower letter, the upper character will be get. Suppose I enter A, age ASCII value is 65. Now you see 65 is greater than equal to 65, yes, less than 90, yes, both condition true, result is true. Now 65 plus 32 is 97. 97 is whose character value? The small a's character value. Suppose I enter small a ASCII value is 97. 97 is greater than equal to 97, yes, less than equal to 122, yes. 97 minus 32 becomes 65. 65 is whose character value? The capital A's character value. If I want to run this code, then moves to the specific online compiler, then start run it. You will be definitely getting the same result. Suppose I enter capital A, I will be getting the result small a. Suppose I enter small a, I will be definitely getting the capital A. Means upper is converted into lower, lower is converted into upper without using any library function. I think today's session is essential to you. You understand all the problems. Having any doubt, please make the comments. If any other additional problem not solved by you, please make the comment. We will be providing the solution to you. If you like the video, kindly like it. If you have not previously subscribed, kindly subscribe it. Thank you. See you in the next class with some new programs. Thank you.